Hi guys, welcome to a PowerLot channel. My name's Jeannie. This video is to show you a portable 68-volt GaN charger PL0026 that allows for simultaneous charging action. Let's first take a look at his package. PD 68-volt GaN travel charger, and it is white. It is well packed in the EVA foam inner holding and nothing else. Cool, look at this small keyboard. It has a foldable plug for AC storage, and one USB-A port and one USB-C port meet your various charging needs. And there is a soft blue light LED indicating a successful connection. So if you go outside, you can only bring this charger to charge your laptop, your phone, your tablet, and more. No need to bring separate chargers. So good. And theoretically, the USB-A port supports max 18-volt output whether the USB-C port is used or not. And the USB-C port can provide max 60-volt power if it's used alone, and max 50 volts if two ports are used simultaneously. Okay, next let's see how the actual charging status of this product is. Okay, I will use PowerC USB texters to do a simple text, and the text devices are M1 iPad Pro and iPhone 12 and 13-inch MacBook Pro. Let's go. Great! The actual power is close to the theoretical spec. Not bad. And generally speaking, as the joules of the device increase, the charging power will decrease. So if you need a portable dual-port charger, you can try this one. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. See you!